Pterodactyl here. And how many of you grass rats have struggled with trying to remove this governor shaft seal on these kind of sucky engines? Well, let me tell you, I got the tool for you. Now you can remove and install those seals in less than 5 minutes with Seal Snap. Tighten it down until snug and then give it a little bit more of a turn with a wrench. Then insert the supplied Allen head bolt, and as you tighten the bolt, it'll draw the seal out. And voila, Seal Snap. To install the new seal, you want to apply a little bit of grease to the outside and some grease to the inside. Put the seal over the shaft. Take Seal Snap. Take the bolt out, and with a rubber mallet or plastic hammer, tap the seal in, and then if you want to countersink it a little bit, take the old seal, place it on the shaft, give it a little tap. Now you've countersunk that seal, and there's your dinner. Seal Snap will also work for those seals on those Vanguard engines. So we got us a Briggs Vanguard. Snug it down. And there's a snap for you right there on that Vanguard engine. Seal Snap. Get yourself one today. To get your Seal Snap, go to RIVETPOPPER.com and get yours today. It makes removing those seals a snap. And there's your dinner.